of these countries to play other than the national stakeholders.
For accepting to work with.
Nilikubariki na nikusimamisha.
Safari nyingine hakuna mkutano.
Tunamwambia waziri wa barabara ndugu yetu Murkomen, you must bring sanity and order to our roads. Like our governor has said, bumps are not an answer to reckless driving. Our drivers must be responsible. Our drivers must drive with due care and attention and must take care of the interests of those they carry and those other road users.
We feel sad that this has been happening. Najua sisi wote kama viongozi tutaungana, lakini pia tuulize kwamba bumps may not be the solution. Kenya hii peke yake ndio nchi iko na bumps nyingi. We have been to America, we have been to UK, there are no bumps. We need to have also discipline amongst our drivers. That's also the way to go. Tutafanya hiyo, lakini let us also make sure that we discipline ourselves.